Hey guys, welcome back. मैं हूँ
जोजो और मैं
Yes,
हूँ श्रुति
बोला
एंड आज हम यस रिएक्ट करने वाले हैं टू वंडरफुल सॉन्ग्स व्हिच जोजो हैज फाइनली पिक्ड आउट फ्रॉम द लिस्ट। तो आज कौन सा गाना चुना है फ्रॉम ऑल द रिक्वेस्ट दैट यू गॉट जो?
We're going back to Odge, the band, remember?
ओह लवली, यस।
Love. Yeah,
हाँ,
I will link that here. But I was told that if we liked Loves, we will love Raat, which is their favorite original track of their own. So
अच्छा,
yeah, so
ओके,
this
गुड।
was performed in episode 7 of season 4, and apparently it says
ऑफ
here it
ऑफ
received
पेप्सी बैटल ऑफ बैंड्स यू आर
Pepsi
सेइंग?
Battle of the Bands,
हाँ,
and it received a standing ovation from Misha Shaki.
ऑलराइट देन, चलो
Right,
देखते हैं फिर।
low expectations. Let's do it. Chalo. 1, 2, 3, play.
clapping in the end. When they finished, he was also clapping. That was so cute.
Cute and is smiling. Very nice. Hmm.
सांसों की छोटी सी नाव तेरा ही किनारा मांगे. Right at the
Oh,
end, that
that's
last line.
just wrong
I
thing
was just like,
happened.
wow.
Like I still have the goosebumps. It's just what a this song. For me, the best thing about the song were the lyrics.
Yeah, me too. Yes.
No, because I
Yeah.
was thinking honestly when they started. Okay, they'll pin here. Mandole mandole रूखे से आंगन में गुस्ताख तेरी पलकें भीगी बिन सावन के. And I was thinking, this is so poetic. Is this a rock? I mean, I'm not saying rock is not poetic, but it just there was just this whole um weird sort of dichotomy thing happening in my brain because I was like ready for a rock song and then this very nice like lyrically like very almost in a classical zone, not classical but
Yeah.
semi
Yeah.
sort of thing
No,
was
but it
going on.
was very much.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so I loved it because it didn't take me any time to get into it because of the
Yeah.
lyrics and how it
Yeah.
started. What are your thoughts?
So the moment it started, because he started on a very high octave, like, like बहुत ही high udhar se, and ekdam se, like, I was usually, we're so used to it starting slowly, or like, there'll be like this one, softly something will start and then it'll kind of pull you in. Mostly the arrangements are like that. Here, the moment it started, he started singing only on such a high. I was like, wow. So it took me, I think, about 15-20 seconds to just absorb that, okay, the song has already started from, like, bilkul shuru hi ho chuka hai. So now just accept. Then I started focusing on the lyrics. Then I started, and then I kind of went away from the music, except when the electric guitar solo came in. Right in the beginning, after the first verse itself, it had come in. And I was just, then I forgot, I was just listening to the song for what it was. I just forgot that what I'm supposed to be seeing in it, or different transitions that are happening, or the way alap wo laga raha hai.
Yeah.
मुझे कुछ ध्यान नहीं है. I was just so absorbed in listening to the song, the lyrics, the way he was singing it. It was just beautiful. At one point, I did feel that maybe lip sync हो रहा है, but then I thought maybe not. Maybe that's just me, or some recording के अंदर वो हुआ होगा, because I doubt it couldn't have been a lip sync. I felt that because वो इतनी effortlessly गा रहा था. Like, even when he took that one step off the stage and then he was singing such a high note, but he was doing it so effortlessly. I was like,
Yeah,
"Ek
his
minute,
singing
lip sync
was
kar raha hai
just,
kya?"
I mean, his singing was just,
Amazing.
he put in the right emotion. He didn't go off anywhere and it was being sung live. And these lyrics are so deep and so poetic.
And there
It
was so
was
much
just,
harkat in every word.
yeah.
There were times when he was
See,
so high and high note लगाते हुए हरकत हो रही है. Oh,
yeah,
very
he
nice.
established his harkatness in Loves Only. We know how
Yes,
good
he
he
did.
is at doing this, right? He'll play with one word and you're just like, ye kahan se aaya?
Yeah.
But so he was, he didn't do it as much as he did it in Loves, but every time he did it, it was just
Yeah.
like, this is your
Yeah.
USP. I mean,
Yeah.
the way he
Like,
plays.
lest you forget, I can also do that. Here you go. Thoda
Haan,
sa mirchi masala. And then,
haan,
like, you
very cute.
come back.
But I'm trying to
Lovely.
find this one line that I just was like, oh, um, गुर्बत में भी कितनी है रंजिशें तुम सांस बनो तब भी सांसें करे साजिशें तेरी आस ने भी हमको कितना झुलसाया है दम मर के निकालना था जीते जी निकाला है दैट लाइन आई वाज लाइक ये किसने लिखा है लाइक हु
Yeah, genuinely. किसने लिखा है?
I'm
Like, we
just
need to
no
know.
it doesn't say here. I'm guessing they only wrote it. Even Love's people commented
Because
saying
Misha Shafi was singing along. There were 1-2 words which, every time the camera was on her, she was singing along. So that's
yeah,
what made me wonder. Then I was
yeah,
like, okay, maybe they've done rehearsal. So obviously, when
yeah,
she's
yeah.
us moment mein you sing along.
But
Yeah.
even the rest of the musicians, the guitar, the drums, they were all so good, so good. Such a passionate rendition of this incredibly.
Ultimately, they won, right?
I think so.
I think so. I think we would
I
remember
think
discussing this.
that they were the
Yeah,
winners.
they had won
Yeah,
that.
yeah,
I mean, it makes sense. It makes sense because, like,
exactly.
they're amazing.
I don't know who can. I mean, who could beat lyricism like this and musicality like this? It's just oh, so good.
इसके आगे हम कुछ नहीं बोल सकते हैं. इतना ब्यूटीफुल सॉन्ग है. प्लीज शेयर करो, सब्सक्राइब करो. यहाँ तक साथ निभाया तो लाइक तो डेफिनेटली करो. प्लीज
Yeah,
डू ऑल दैट because this song totally and completely deserves it. It's
yeah,
beautiful.
yeah. It's
Yeah.
beautiful, and I really want to know like what happened after the Battle of the Bands. I think I asked this last time
Yeah.
also. Did they release an
Yeah.
album? What is it called? What are
Correct.
the songs that you recommend from it? We would love to see, hear, and see
Yeah. Yeah.
all
Yeah.
their work.
Yeah.
So yeah, please let us know. And like and subscribe to Miss Bola's channel. It is linked below. YouTube.com/Shruti Bola. Hell yeah.
Yes, yes, yeah.
And yes, then we'll see you now in the
Easy to
next
find.
one. easy to find.
Bye.
Bye.